If you want a quick and easy way to summarize a campaign using AI on Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a great feature if you want a fast overview of recent performance without digging through every report manually. It can help you understand results, spot trends, and save time when reviewing your email marketing campaigns. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can see the campaigns you want to review. If you manage more than one audience or brand, double check that you're inside the right workspace before continuing. Next, from the Mailchimp dashboard, click on Home. This is where Mailchimp surfaces helpful AI-powered tools and summary options. On the home screen, look for the option that says Summarize Recent Campaign Performance. This is the feature that uses AI to quickly generate a concise report of how your campaign performed. Once you find that option, click it. Mailchimp will begin analyzing your recent campaign data. Depending on how much data it has to review, this usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the platform is pulling together the most important information, so you don't have to do that work yourself. When the summary is ready, Mailchimp will generate a report for you automatically. You can use this summary to get a clear snapshot of your campaign performance, including the overall results and the key takeaways. This is especially useful when you need to share insights with a team, prepare for a meeting, or decide what to improve in your next email campaign. The best part is that this process is very beginner-friendly. You don't need to build a report manually or switch between multiple analytics screens. Just open Mailchimp, go to Home, click Summarize Recent Campaign Performance, and wait for the AI report to appear. It's a simple workflow that can save a lot of time. If you're using Mailchimp regularly, I'd recommend making this part of your routine after each important campaign. That way, you can quickly review what happened, compare performance over time, and make smarter marketing decisions moving forward. And that's how you summarize a campaign using AI on Mailchimp in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful how-to videos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.